Hello, welcome back to Heather's Corner. Today's video will be about cleaning up this little baby doll. I got her for $1.99 at Goodwill, and she is the Corolle brand. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's a French brand of doll. She's in decent shape, a little dirty, got some marks on the head, and her body could use a little cleaning around the limbs. I think that's dust. When I flip her over, it's more apparent, which will probably be easy to clean, either soap and water, OxiClean, or a stain remover. Same for the dress. The dress could also use some mending. A hole. I think the dress is handmade, as I didn't see a tag inside. This doll's body tag says 2010, so I don't think she's considered vintage yet. 4 more years. They say, what, 20-year-old things are considered vintage? That's crazy. Her teeth are yellow. It's interesting. I will clean her first with a magic eraser. I call them magic erasers. These are the Walmart versions, off-brand. You don't have to buy brand name. I find they work just the same. I don't need these clips today because there's no hair and I don't need my comb. So really all she needs is a scrub down and a body cleaning. It's full of beans. So I will undress her and then clean her with the eraser and come back and show you what she looks like. I cleaned her up with the eraser. The teeth are still yellow. I also couldn't really get in there too well, so maybe I'll try again. There's a yellow mark on her head, and then I think a dye stain here, and some type of dye or wear stain on her hand, so it would need acne cream, which is more effort than I'm willing to put in right now. So I would have to put the whole setup in my room, and I don't want to do that right now. This, I'll have to go spray. I need to go get my spray, let her sit, and then rinse her. So let me do that, and I could show you the stain remover I use. Here is the stain remover I use. It is amazing. Great. So I will spray some on the fabric. And then I'll let it sit, and according to the instructions, you're supposed to blot it out. I don't. I usually wash it out, and it works fine. So, again, I get this at Ocean State Job Lot. I've never looked for it anywhere else, but feel free. I'll let this sit, and I'll come back after I wash to show you how much of it washed out, and then she'll need to dry. Oh, I should probably spray the dress, too. Right in the back, I think. Yeah. There we go. Okay. See you after it has sat for a while. I rinsed her legs, and I think they look better. It's really hard to tell when it's wet because you see the color of the vinyl come through. I'm going to set her outside to dry. I think this one might need a little extra help. And then on the dress, I didn't even rinse. And those purple spots, I don't see them now. I'll still hand wash it later. So she will go outside into the sun because it's very hot out in the high 80s to 90s. Get fully dry. Don't want anything growing in the legs. These are hollow inside. Let's see. Okay. So, oh, where did this come from? I did not see this before. Huh. Guess I gotta spray it. I swear that was not there. I'd have to go back through my footage. Interesting. It looks like it bled too, so maybe it got worse when I was washing her. Well, then I will give that a little bit, rinse it, and then stick her outside. I mended the dress, fixed the open collar, a little simple stitch by hand. That way she can have her dress back. I'm not really fond of this material. It feels like the cheaper polyester that carnival animals are made out of. Also, this is attached. I don't see a tag on it, so I'm not really sure if it is corolle or was it handmade. It's fun. Maybe I'll keep her in it just in the collection in my doll closet. She is all dry now. I stuck her out in the sun after doing a little washing. I think she looks brighter. I did not clean the entire body. I probably should have since she was getting wet anyway. This looks brighter. I think I just noticed some... It's hard to tell if this is dirt or this is just the vinyl underneath. Also, that blue thing's completely gone. I don't know what that was. That was weird. I did not see it the first time. Only when I came back to show you guys what she looked like when she was rinsed. Other than that, I'm pleased with how she came out. I'm not reselling her, so I don't feel the need to go get this out. I don't want to bring out my incandescent lamps and the acne cream. So this is how she turned out. What do you guys think? I may go and wipe her mouth again because I see she had sparkles. Not sure. I'm not really sure how to get the teeth not yellow. I may have to go in with a toothpick. Toothpick could be useful. Wipe around it. I was thinking Q-tip, actually. Some cleaning solution. Let me know how you guys like to clean up your dolls down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.